Merely plug it in and insert. And if that sounded too delicate, for those suffering from maladies back in that era, they could also turn to the much feared recto-rotor. Alright, next question. Now you may think that this sort of thing has faded away, but no. It continued through the years. In 1976, for example, more than 4 million people laid out about $10 to buy one. A, foot-operated rest enlarger pump. B, the power-off pimple disc sander. Or C, the pure carbon aura cleansing brush.
So, aura cleansing?
Yeah, you know, an aura being the field around you that you're supposed to exude. Brush to cleanse it, your aura.
What year?
It should be 1976. C. You're going to go for the aura. No, it was the breast enlarger pump. Pretty much what you would expect.